Hello everyone. Today in my SEO for beginner series, sorry, SEO not practices, SEO for beginner series, my video is about SEO mistakes to avoid. Many people don't realize what kind of mistakes they do whenever they are doing SEO. So I will be discussing about some of the few common mistakes. So without a doubt, SEO, search engine optimization, is an important part of your online marketing strategy. If you're doing online marketing, you cannot ignore the importance of SEO. SEO is important thing. So you need to focus on SEO. So now there are people who make mistakes, who don't know while doing SEO. So in this video, I'll be describing some of the common mistakes which you need to avoid while doing SEO. So keep with me. So the first people mistake they do is just focus on search engine alone. I know you are going to do SEO, but if you just keep on focusing on search engine, you are going to lose, because search engine is not the person who is going to visit your website. It is the ultimate end user who is going to visit your website. So do not focus on that. And the second aspect I want to discuss in this is diversify your traffic sources as well. Don't rely, like I said, never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your traffic sources. It will even help you in credibility and authority in SEO. Like if you are doing social media marketing, email marketing, paid marketing, and getting online traffic from other sources, so search engines will think your website as a credible, because you are getting traffic from multiple sources. They will not think your website as a spam or a website who is trying to manipulate SEO rankings to get traffic. So in authority, this will also help. And my second is about unique versus quality content. People misconfuse and link it with like unique. Search engines are not looking for unique content. Let me clear you this conception if you still have it. No, not even a single search engine is looking for a unique content. They are looking for a quality content. What's the purpose of writing a unique content who no one wants to see on? Write a content which is actually loved by people. And what is the quality content? Is it engaging content? Forget if you have copied something. You can't write a good article without taking inspirations from someone else's article. So you can give credits, you can add quotations, you can add some sort, and also give credit where due. Like I have added this thing, and I'm discussing about something, and I'm also adding references. It's a good thing. It's a good part of your content writing function feature as well, that you are giving credits where due, and it's not harm to copy content as long as you are trying to make a point with that reference. So focus on quality content rather just creating a unique content. Third is you are very greedy at giving external links to authority sites in your topic. So let me make it show my face small so you can see that external linking to authority sites in your topic. Why? Because people think, no, I do not want to give a link. So let me show you one of my articles. This is one of my articles. This is an article about how to start freelancing, which I have written on my blog, and you can see that I'm giving different references like Statista, Upwork, Payoneer, Wikipedia, Business Today, Cloud Peeps. I'm giving different links, external links. These external links doesn't harm my website. If you think my website is being harmed, no, it actually helps my website in building more credibility and authority. Because when you give external links to authority websites, Google consider your website as more authoritative. Why? Because you are pointing out valid references in your article. So it's a good strategy to add external links, especially to authority websites in your article. This will help you in SEO. And then my next mistake is that you are building backlinks only. Just backlinks to get ranked on the website. No, there are many things on the SEO which you need to focus on. You need to focus on content optimization, organizing your content structure, writing more articles, focusing on user experience, UI, site speed, other marketing factors. I mean, backlinks are good, but on page also plays a huge role. There are other factors as well. Plugins of your website. How do you manage your content? How structured your content are? What other sources of traffic you are driving? They all help. So as backlinks is not just the only thing which is a primarily factor in ranking of your website in SEO. I mean, they are good, but they are not the only thing which you need to focus on. And then you are not doing interlinking enough. Interlinking means linking your other post with a post. So most of my old articles still receive good traffic. Why? Because I am doing internal linking. Let me show you an example. You can see even in the same article, like at a start, I'm referring to another article, and then you can see I'm again referring to my another article, again referring to my another article, again referring to my another article. Even I'm doing not this on a single article. If you just keep on finding my articles, I'm been actively doing internal linking, and it actually helps me to drive visitors to my other posts as well. You can see how to start freelancing, things you need to succeed as a freelancer. My other post, I'm doing internal linking. Yes, you can see good vlogging where camera. I have an article on that as well. You can see again internal linking. You can see I am even adding 3 more links, and even another read this guide as well. So you can see that internal linkings are very important, and if you are not doing it enough, why you are not doing it enough? Do it. It will help you in SEO. So don't follow this mistake. Do it, and then you focus on just visitors, not build relations. This was one of the mistake I was doing. Because when I created a blog, I was focusing on earning money, but rather I still remember Matthew Woodward, which is a very famous blogger. He said once, forget income, focus subscribers. And that is a very ultimate thing in making money online or reaching success online, and that is to make a community. So just don't focus on visitors, but rather make a community. If you make a community, you won't be ever hit by any SEO algorithm even, because you will be having permanent visitors who are love or associated with you. So that is how they're going to visit you anyhow. So why don't you build a relation with your visitor, so which can make it a permanent visitor? Because SEO can land a visitor one time, but making a relationship can land him every day on your website. So if, let me write this here, SEO can bring a visitor one time, but if you make a relation, visitor will visit your website every day. So you can see you are getting 365 unique visits by the same visitor. By how? So you can multiply your SEO efforts by 365 times in a year by making a relationship with a visitor. So this strategy will also help you in SEO as well. Another is social sharing is a myth in ranking. People think that social sharing is not a big thing, but back in the time, Dario at Search Engine Land write an article on how social signals affect your SEO, because now with the social media importance, and whenever there is a new event, people start sharing hashtagging on social media. So it's kind of a news sector as well. So if you are if your content is being actively shared on social media, it will also help in ranking, because search engines have started giving importance to social media channels, and they have started valuing the content which is being shared over there. So if your content is keep on sharing over there, you will eventually see improved rankings for your search engine SERPs as well. SERP means search engine ranking positions. So another mistake, large mistake, which I want to discuss on people do is they are not consistent. If you are not consistent, because you're going to lose it. Because whenever we start something, we're very motivated. Like, I have to upload an article every day. You have started doing SEO. I have to make a backlink every day. I have to do something good for my SEO, optimize, audit, look on competitors every day. But after a few days, you lose motivation, and that is the main no matter what the circumstances are. Get up every day and write something new and good, regardless of whatever people say. Don't look at people say. I'm not saying that don't analyze yourself, keep on evaluate and keep on improving yourself, but ignore the bad things, ignore what people criticize on you, and learn from your mistakes and start improve, and just be consistent, and you will eventually, in any marketing strategy, consistency is the key. In any life goal, consistency is the key. So same here in SEO. When you are not consistent and you are not making a strategy, so you will be losing somewhere. So don't lose it and be consistent with your SEO strategy. So this was my another video on SEO for beginner series on SEO mistakes to avoid. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to add in the comments box. Thank you for watching my video, and bye bye.